E03 troubleshooting method. If E03 is displayed more than 10 seconds after startup, you need to check the ignition plug. Take apart the housing. Unplug the blue ignition plug. Pull out sleeve. Use specialized tools. Rotate counterclockwise. Remove the ignition plug. Reconnect the blue plug. After powering up the device, observe the ignition plug. E03 continues to appear and the ignition plug does not light up. Install new glow plugs and test. Wait about 20 seconds to see if it is hot and bright. Install ignition after shutting down the device. Put it in the slot and screw it in clockwise. Fastening with dedicated equipment. Put back the rubber sleeve and connect the blue plug. Finally, install the shell to complete.